General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, do key levels 10, 20. Mm-hmm. 10. All right. You bullish. What's the levels here? 26,000. Okay. It's a monthly level. And previous month's high. No, this month is almost over. Okay. This would be 26K and previous one high. Just weekly. This would be old all-time high. And I really would watch this low or this open price or closing price, because this is the low of the new week opening. It's our range. Yeah, we still bullish. DraftKings premium array is all time high, and discount array is previous week. PWCP is daily. This is the range that we're playing in. This is here. This is this closing price here, and this is this closing price here. So we're kind of breaking through this gap right now, which we should take this out just because it's a weak high. Did I take off my uncharted territory fibs? I can't tell. Here we go. This is kind of where we're at. This is our next daily. Because this is the IPTA 40. This is 25350.01. This is the daily. Zero 618. And just for got this, we really do have this open price. An interesting level here is kind of how we didn't take this swing. Oh no, we did. We took this swing. This is our last stop hunt. Okay. Still bullish on the daily. Next array projection. And our next discount array is the last stop hunt. Last stop hunt is previous week's low. Our old all-time high is the week before its high last. We really don't have an array here. So we're still bullish on the 4 hour, but there is no new array. We already did this swing. Where's our 4 hour discount array? We do have us an untapped gap here, but this is a fresh, or everything is balanced here. If we come back here, we should come to equilibrium. This whole range is efficiently traded. So our discount rate will be previous week's EQ. Previous week EQ. I'm gonna let this roll out and then do the H1, the matrix for the H1 at end of day EOD. So go here. My phone should see we should see two more, two more, and we're good to go for the week. We'll let this do whatever it want to do. It could just be accumulate sell order day. The next day could take the high, then we can retrace, or whatever it wants to do. We'll be ready. So it don't make sense to do this full range just yet. Because this will be our draw. Get this open price here and this close price here. Let's go 15. 15 worked. And we'll do this from 15 as well. And it probably should be quadrants, but we'll keep that just the way it is. And then when we take the high, we can figure out what's up here. But definitely these highs. All right, let's go here. Need to do in detail. Says NASDAQ. Let's see, silver. We're at all-time high. And we're bullish. And our next is previous month's high. Got on the weekly. It really is that, but our next will be previous week's low. How we use this wick will be important as well. So premium wick here. Yep, that'll work. And then let's take the prices off and the levels. Let's go 35. Maybe 50. Because that is really, really light. Yep, 50 works just fine. Couple bullish, premium raise, premium wick, and older discounted previous week's low. Hit the daily. We have this order block. I don't like news on the daily. This thing, it does update every week. I'm starting to notice that. News updates every week. Here we have us a daily order block here. Daily be bullish. And our next bearish order block. And then our discount array will be, we don't have no gaps. We do have us a premium wick here. It's a pretty long wick as well. I will watch this. See, after this low is kind of vital, but then we have this low here. When is our next stop hunt? So we do have this premium wick here, and we have this stop hunt. So trend line, actually arrow. The arrow will work. And this level is 47. Liquidity. Daily bullish special. All right, we got fair swing liquidity. Here, let's go to the 4 hour. All right, in the 4 hour, we can refine this OB here. I do like this row as far as the OB. Our highest up candle is here. This came and took that, pushed. That was the last of it. So let's get. hmm And what do we have down here? Do have us a fresh level. It kind of matches this failure swing liquidity as well. It's an H4 4-hour gap. As far as key levels, well, previous week's low is already marked, but this has engineered liquidity as well. Well, we do have a market structure shift, so it did shift bearish. Our next premium away will be the fresh order block, and our next discount array will be H4 FEG, and it has engineered liquidity with it. Do that for later. The day's over. Yeah, let this do whatever it wants to do. Could go up here and have us a pretty cool reaction. Start selling, which would be beautiful. Euro. Monday, we're bullish. Next premium array will be previous month's high. I would say the current month's low, since it is. Now we have to go previous. We'll let it finish. This is an old monthly low. Okay. Low. Let's go to the weekly. We're kind of in a chop on the week. It's previous week's high. And previous week's low. Look how we just been chopping too. Previous week's low. I think interesting to note here is what didn't get swept from this one. Give me some price notes. So that's a fair swing. 420, 424. That's a fair swing as well. This is not as high as that, and that's not as low as that. Very interesting. So if this is higher, and this is the parent bar high. And then this will be the parent bar low. What's this on the weekly? That's interesting. Plant bar low. Let's go to the daily. Daily, it does look bearish on the daily. Here's our next premium array. I'll watch this closing price because we wicked it for rejection block ideas. Bearish rejection block. Take the news off the daily. I bet there's like a system that updates that thing every week to make it work. Our next discount array will be this. It's a bullish daily fair value gap. Daily rejection block and daily fair value gap. So magic can happen in them levels. From the H4 perspective, we do have a weak high. Can I put text in it? Okay. How do I move it down? And then what do I have here? This is interesting. It's like a breakaway gap because we broke away from this high. We're still bearish. We have a weak high. Then we have us bag. And we'll do this. ELD. Cool. Bitcoin. Previous month's high. And an old monthly level will be here. Old monthly low. This is our current all-time high. And this is our old monthly low. Okay, we've got us an old previous week's high here. Kind of trapped in this range as well. We do have us a old failure swing liquidity. 126. Low hanging fruit though, just for this week. This will be previous week's low. Bullish, previous week's high and low. The daily. I'll watch this gap because it's like an inverse. Daily FPG. And I'll watch what we smacked this. This is interesting. It's kind of like our rejection block level. And this is technically a discount level. I will watch this because this could be an order block. We did this swing that created this. If we make it up, this is bearish. And we got us a bearish order block. And for premium array, we got us an inverse fair value gap for bullish array. Let's see what we got for this. H4. It's kind of bullish retracement vibes going. We actually have a swing here. So that can give us some matrix, PD array matrix ideas. This could just be the premium retracement for the sale. We wick this. What do we have here? Drop. And this is like just accumulating in this long wick. We pair orders here. Orders are paired. Previous week's high. We do have us a gap here. This is like a breakaway gap. We have us like a fresh level here on the bullish side. On the bearish side, I will watch this inverse level because this was the last time we reaccumulated there. So, do have us a fair value gap in premium, and we have us IFEG discount. Let's see. I spy. It's 10, 20. day. SPY. Our 200 moving averages at 600. Bullish on the monthly. I would think 680 would be our next. It's a round number. Then I'll look at previous month's high, which we're pretty close to, but it's still good to watch. Previous month's high. It's like a good mile marker. And it's technically discount because it's at 667 and we're at, well, we're only $3 away. Not very far. Let's see what else we got. Well, we can use it for support. We'll keep that there. Monthly 680, previous month's high. To the weekly. All right. Got lots of gaps. Watch this. Should be old all-time high. And we do have a pretty huge gap. Look at all these gaps. We need bounce out here. He needs sippies. Yeah, I'll watch this. Which is previous week's open price. No, it's previous week's closing price because we open here. Previous week's closing price. Which is 664. That's what I start getting contracts for. Daily. It's 50% here and around that 664. Showing me all my fib confluences, fib projection. There is no new level on the daily. There's just not. We do have some projections, but not no new levels. So from the discount PD array, we do have us this, but this kind of lines up with this. We do have some gaps down here, some just regular trading hour gaps. Closed here, opened here. Satomi volume imbalance. Let's go to the H4. Kind of balancing all this out as well. There is no discount array. Bullish array. Discount, besides that gap, we really don't. What's this? This 659 is like one of the 618. There's two 618s in this area. Okay. I will watch previous week's closing price and probably just previous week's low from the H4 perspective. So let's do this. Go to the H4, and it's going to be blue. Previous week's low. All right. For the whole week for the swings. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace. All right, now Monday, price action is done. I can do the PD rate matrix. See where we at. My pencil. Do we have any old lows above price? Nah. Pasta. Nope. Yeah, we do have old all-time high. I already got that. Where's our rejection blocks? Hot this. This candle take liquidity. Yeah. We're not getting a reaction here. Could we use this level and then reuse this level? Sure. I mean, this area just in itself, it's like the bearish order block / rejection block area. Can watch that. We have us a gap here. From 25, 105.60, 25, 105.60 to 24. 24.92. Oh, wait. Hold up. I'm kind of playing in this area now. That was pretty much today's price action. This H1 fair value gap. Do we have any mitigation blocks, like blocks where we went down that we can mitigate price? Kind of like right here, this area. It's kind of more interesting because we can get buys here. We sold here last. And we pushed. This is a good size swing. Took out almost all of this. So here we got us a bullish mitigation block. Because that rejection block ain't working. This can be used as an inverse level right here. Watch that. It's like a breaker area too. Have us a fresh gap here. It could be like a breakaway gap. We can get us a reaction here because we did break a high. If I can get this strong magnet to act right. Let's get some precision. Hold up. Control Z. All right. I need to lock those higher time frame levels. Note to self, it's not that many levels either. Kind of like it. Let me see. Does this make it to where I can't move it? Okay, cool. That's really cool. Lock, lock. And it's not that many levels because I just kind of redid the charts. Everything is two except for you get to the H1. Hold on. That's the wrong button. Lock. Yo, pay no more blue. And then we get here. All we got here is this mitigation block. It would be a breaker, but we didn't take care. We do have us a gap here as well. Look like we kind of used it. If we retrace, we should retrace to this one. What is this price? So I know. If I'm looking like at a different chart. So from 125 to bullish for the block, some bullish rejection block. This is just from this swing. This did create a nice little. You know what I do like about this push up? It's low resistance liquidity run. This gives me like OTE vibes from here to here. OTE is here. This is basically fair value. I should make it gold for the golden zone. This is kind of like orange, but okay. Okay, I locked this. There it is. I'm sitting here like, what did I do? Take this off. This is all we have. These is fresh too. OTE is kind of here. We just tapped this. We could just sell off right now. I wouldn't even be surprised and just don't stop. But we don't have a catalyst. Tomorrow is Netflix after market close. So over here, all we had is a mitigation. We didn't have a breaker, no liquidity void. Didn't have a gap. Nah, I don't see no rejection blocks. Old low, previous day low. Some old highs. Where's the old high that we broken? And this is previous week's high. We'll make this green or something. Okay. Since this is an inverse level, let me make this dashed. And here's the other one. Perfect. That's pretty much it. This was like a rejection block, but this is our current leg now. Last time we took liquidity, intermediate term low here, or short term low, because it doesn't have a lower low on each side. Well, it kind of does now. This is kind of produced a swing that broke, so it's kind of intermediate term. Our long term will be here. Two intermediate terms down there. Cool. Okay, let's see what we got. Any bullish order blocks that can be used. Mitigate price. Let's go to white. Okay. We broke. This the last high that we broke here. It's kind of like a propulsion, but it lines up with like a H4. We're kind of like inside of a daily. So this, it doesn't need anything extra, in my opinion. Did we take out a swing here? This is weak. This high is weak itself. And this zone is represented with this daily order block. I do like the highs is for just liquidity. This has already been used. It looked like it worked. We got us a reaction. We couldn't break it. Looks like we're coming back for it. And we had a high that's with it. Failure swing liquidity here. Kind of like propulsion block ideas here. And you have to kind of account for this wick to enhance the order block. Sales from here do make sense. Let's make this straight. This is a high. This is just a gap that's been used. This is a high that's been broken. That's the gap. There's nothing really up here. This is kind of already accounted for with this. We don't need that. What do we got? Lower, just the old low. We could have an inside day. That would be tacky. It's a good way to start the week though. Small range. Monday high. Monday low. Sweep both sides. Look for sales up there. We got sell side liquidity. Previous week's open price and previous week's low down here. I don't see anything too interesting down here. We kind of used this. We kind of used this here. But the only thing I don't like about this is this feels like the actual zone to me. From here to here. We spiked up and, did all this cool stuff. But when we came here, it respected it. That would be the breaker area I would look for. This is engineering liquidity with that gap. I'll look for all this to get ran. None of this is interesting, really. This didn't produce a swing to hit this. This engineer liquidity, this took out this. This is not interesting either. This didn't push this down. This is interesting. This failure swing liquidity. Because this is a good order block. in my opinion. Right around this previous month's high. This one created this swing. It took out this liquidity. It kind of just chilled. But this swing here, it's the most interesting swing in recent history. That's the bullish breaker block. It's a bearish propulsion block. And this is the H1 fair value gap. And this is the H1 bullish order block. Okay, now let me lock these charts too. I wonder what's the high key. This is that wig zone. Yeah, it's locked. That's locked too. Daily. Lock it. 4 hour. And the rest of that stuff can stay unlocked. All right, so we got our killing grounds. It looks bearish to me just because of this swing. Even though we didn't take out this low, this is like retracement. It gives me ideas to go low. It could chop low. Okay, hold on, wait. Finish my paper. Let's break on the order block. Okay. Who we got up here? Got any good bearish breakers to keep us down? I feel like this is an ugly one. In this little run down here, is it any gaps? I don't see anything. It looks not gappy. It looks calculated to me. And we do have an order block. That's a weak high on the 4 hour. Don't want to see no rejection box. Oh, high day, Monday high. Tings, Monday high. Yeah, that take care of that. Who here can offload some money after they was wrong? It will really have to be here. How we kind of use this area. This is our bearish order block. Price turned bullish after this. Kind of lines up here too, but this didn't take liquidity. This zone's been used a lot too. Boom, boom, boom. And we do have just low hanging fruit here. I don't think this took liquidity, but this is our lowest down candle. So we'll just have this. Yeah, there's no rejection blocks or nothing. Hold on. Lock these. See, we got H4. It's just the H1 bearish shorter block. It's gonna be a breaker. Hold on. Mitigation block. They bought here. Reselling. Monday high. It's already marked. This is a breaker. We did take out a high, not a significant high though, so I'm not going to give you the classification. You took out Tuesday high. Yeah, let's give you some credit. This is not trap order flow. We're in between two breakers. This is a H1 bullish order block. Bullish order block. Monday's low is important. Monday low. I think this can just sell. We waiting on the dollar to finish doing what it's doing. We're gonna be waiting. I'll look at that to see if it's getting close. All right, cool. Let's get these levels. Let's just make sure this is locked first. Hold on. Just lock it, because I don't know what I done hit. Okay, it's supposed to be on no sync. Is it locked still? Yeah. Lock and then lock this. I see blue that's not supposed to be there, and I see news. No news on the table. Okay, that's locked and that's locked. And it should be locked too. We'll just keep this here. And we'll keep this here. Okay. Matter of fact, we're on the H1 now. Let's get to work. I already finished you. I knocked this out pretty fast. And that's because I did all the front run, higher time frame stuff. All right, so prices here. Let's see what we got. There's our highest up candle here. Is this high? Nope, this high took that high. I feel like this is interesting because it's like buy stops. Like the case for buys. Is it truly over? You know what I mean? This could be just a retracement. And it's a ton of them. Hold on. This accumulation here is kind of, it stands out to me. This is the weekend. I'm surprised nobody came out with like Bitcoin weekend price action auction theory where they like do deviations of this in a complicated way to figure out the delivery with time and the indicator that costs $250 a month. I'm just surprised. That's what they usually do. Accumulation range is kind of like original consolidation. I would want to see price come here, even if we do keep buying up just because this is the weekend. And it looks interesting. I feel like it's engineered liquidity. Try to get this whole. We're kind of in the gap, which could turn into an inverse gap. Keep my eye on that. And this area here where we take this off. You can watch this too, but this is more interesting because this created a swing that broke structure. So for the sake of precision, I'll hop just this one candle. Gotcha. I mean, the sales kind of just makes sense. We done retraced. Let me get 50% of this range. The time of the day don't make sense, but it's one of them things that move in Asia at weird times. So I ain't got the ICT 2 to 4, but the crypto people say it's the same. Let's make this white. This is a weird way to start the week, but at least it's an up candle that created this high. We got us a little gap here too. I don't trust this price action, and I don't trust how this high is just engineered for this high. This is too cool looking. I'll take a run, maybe a run between these lows, and then a push up, then a run back for this low for a normal week. Above price is there. No. No. We do got some rejection block and order blocks above price. And some old highs. Low price, we got us a order block, old low. That's a sell side liquidity pool. And we do have breaker. I was looking at those charts. Oh, just different asset classes. It's okay. SPY. It's all the classic stock stuff. This is interesting because it's a bunch of gaps. So let's do this. Extended trading hours. I'm going to go back to, because I just had this and I want to keep this and go here. Okay. This is my range. This is interesting here. This is the last high that broke. This is the accumulation that broke that high. Old all-time high and all that stuff looks interesting, don't it? Because on the other chart, we was already like there. Over here, we're not. I don't know if this wick took this wick because this wick looks like the highest. Hold on, keep this where it's at because we need to lock these levels. Lock. Weekly level. Daily level here. 4 hour. Wasn't really nothing. Hold on. Lock this. That's a blue level. Did I put anything else around? Mm-mm. Okay, now we're here. So these are interesting levels that we got to kind of block us. Some flat bottoms, which is normal for stocks. Seems like it, but for the giggles, let me see if we just go there tomorrow. Let's do black ticks. $6.68. It'd be nice if we could even push up. Go up here. Why didn't SPY go up? That is a good question. Hold on, did I write down my levels for SPY? Nope, and I didn't mark them. So this is the H1 breaker. And this order block. I believe that green is the daily volume imbalance I was looking at. Just by how the tool I used. Yep, it is. All right, cool. All right, let's do my regular chart work. Let me fill out my paper. So here, got a square pair, order block, and a hold low. All right, the homework is done. What's going on? Bitcoin jumped 3%. Okay. Bitcoin probably driving people crazy, especially the bears. 5%. Yeah, 0.5%. Okay. Does this say non-farm payrolls? Nah. Let me just double check. Will data be released October 21st, 2025? Because that sounds crazy. Nah, that's old. Yeah. No. YouTube. Yes, I bet the website would tell me. Mm-mm. Nope. Yeah, I don't think that's right. Because something else would have said something, not just that. All right, Monday planning. Yeah, we did that. Charts, NASDAQ charts. Nas100. What happened today? Oh, I could have grouped them and like make them all invisible. I've seen people do that, but I don't know how to do it. mm Oh, this how you do it. Okay, I got it. I got the juice. Boom this. Boom, boom, boom. Let's just see if I do it like this. And it worked. And then what? And that's all that. That was smooth. All right now. Interesting way to start the week. Interesting, I ain't got the Fadi on my chart either with the new week opening. Yeah, where is that at? Yeah, I got my order blocks and my gaps. Yeah, I like that indicator. I got it on my ICT layout. Start the week. Boom. Look like we used the old new week opening gap too. What is that? The fifth? That's crazy. ICT's right about them levels. Whether we like them cluttering up our chart or not. We be cluttering up our chart with other stuff. I don't even think this really needs any arrays or, key levels besides here. Just looks like a good short-term target for a retracement. All right. Pretty one-sided day. Good to draw and people, especially the bulls. I think retracements on Tuesday or look before Tuesday, high of the week. No Netflix report. Earnings after market close. Okay. Already did that for my groups. Where's the group? Here you go. Can I rename this? H1. There we go. Lots of things to retrace with, you know. I think the most interesting stuff to keep is the OTE stuff. The bag is interesting. We can retrace there, but around here, and even I can delineate this with this for the sake of clarity. And here, this is just OTE, but these are the levels in OTE. So we'll keep this much cleaner. Watch this mitigation block, order block. Where can we sell off from? I don't know. I feel like we need to retrace and then push higher and then build something to sell off. There's nothing over here. This is full. You got to catch it at the right times. Conform sales to buys. If we push, we just wait. Price will give us a retracement, or we look for London high of the day or New York reversal. Let's go to the daily. Ugly day. Is this day bigger than this day? Nah, it's a tiny day. It's a nothing day. So at bare minimum, weekly open price is interesting. I prefer to go a little bit higher, but it's definitely the bare minimum interesting price. We can lock this too. Mm-hmm. I think we setting up to run the highs. I need to see a solid close with the body through Monday's high. Too lean. completely one-sided. I prefer the week to deliver with a feel of the, let me go open the gap first. If we push up for Netflix, we could sell off. So it's kind of 50-50, but we got two buttons. We can 50-50 the buttons. All right, now a chart that actually makes sense with real supply and demand. Nothing day, all we did was chop. Like, this is nothing. Okay. Small range Monday means we look for a large range Tuesday. Look for our sales. Above Monday's high. Here we go on the hour. Okay. This needs to stay locked on up because we at all-time high. But, I mean, it kind of lines up. It's a 618. Retrace and sell. I'm looking for sales. Let's do this. So it's not so bright. Okay. Here to here just makes sense. There's no buy side, but even if we go here, where's this low for this week? Okay. If that, then this, where would I want my buys to set up? I don't want a buy to set up below here, really below here, because this low in this area is the most interesting. That would be my ultimate goal. Because these are some little bitty weeks. Look at the bodies on these weeks. It's not really no action. Right. If we just push down, I will wait to sell the retracement. I don't think we sell for long. Maybe one or two weird weeks and then back to business. And I heard today they could be close to um, making a deal for the government. For the government shutdown. I think what they were saying is the Democrats need to stop asking for the health care for something. It was crazy. Okay, look like we selling. We might not even get that run above that. And we don't need nothing down here. I do kind of want that run. This is what I gotta watch though, because that's that order block level. I would still want London to take. It would have to be that time. Seems like we're pushing now. But I would want London to take Asia high, perform interested. Cool. And this is EU. And what is this? This is a small range day as well. Look at this. Look like we almost to this breaker though. But just this liquidity. Let me put it in one of these so we can see and do the default. That's how I be looking, like how I used to do the holiday. Price is starting off slow. That is fine. We do have CPI on Friday. So we have to only strike when we get a reaction off the key level. Go to the H1. Price is bearish. I'm going leaving premium. Price is bearish. We leaving premium. Leaving premium pricing. But similar to silver, we want to wait for orders to be paired with buy stops. So I want to wait on a bullish breakout to fade and then push on the sales. Okay. The daily. Kind of just closing, but look at these gaps. Close here, open here. It's just tacky. Is Fadi not on here? That wind call is beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna make that new week open the gap on every layout. It's just too good not to have on there. It is a staple. All right. Price is selling off. How fast we want to engage with order pairing selling. So we wait. I prefer London or New York AM session. Framework, not really. It's Monday. Yeah, I guess. It wasn't boo-boo. What y'all learn about pattern narrative for myself? Sometimes it's good. Clear off the charts and redo the top down levels for a fresh look. What I'll watch for tomorrow. Tuesday half a week. Our favorite thing to watch for. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.